There are a couple of different modes of a document or a file. If I click here, I can see that currently I am in editing mode. There's also suggesting mode and viewing mode. In editing mode, I can type directly into the document if I have access to do so. In suggestion mode, I can type into the document, but they will be recommendations as opposed to direct edits. And then in view only mode, I can only view it. Currently I have edit rights, but I want to make suggestions as opposed to make direct edits. So I'll change it to suggestion mode, and I'll suggest that the person add this particular statement. If I switch accounts, I can see this person has made the recommendation that I add this sentence. If I like that edit, I can accept that suggestion, or if I don't like it, I can reject it and it will disappear. If I accept it, it will become a part of the document itself.